Hey everybody, Adam here. Look what I got, a special surprise. And of course you don't notice I don't have mime yet or Flippy. But here's the special surprise that I got for you just to show it. And this is a Happy Tree Friend Sniffles Plush. And yeah, they look similar. And you guys will love this. And and yeah. So, because my birthday is yesterday, and I have to celebrate for another birthday not till this coming week. But yeah. Let's review this plush. We got Sniffles. And this one has the long trunk, like elephant's trunk, which is this one's kind of with the mouth. And yeah, elephant's trunk is like with the nose and the mouth, like on this side. But anteaters, this is an anteater, but anteaters with the mouth right there. And here we got the Pac-Man eyes and his glasses, and of course we got his pocket for their clips. But yeah, you're right. It is fabric, and we got the hands and the feet. Says, I know you're right, but I know your mime plush just stands up, but this one don't stands up at all. But yeah, this Sniffles is really very awesome. I haven't gotten mime plush yet, but he is coming soon, I hope, and Fleetwood too. But yeah, let's check on the back. We got the tail, feet, and the cuddling. But yeah, that's a Sniffles. Oh, also we got the ears. Nope, no plush. And the plush head. And yeah. Well, that was basically it. He says, hi, YouTube. And yeah. You guys will love this, and I hope you enjoy, because my birthday is coming up soon. So that's how he stands like that. But, here. Let's do it this way. I don't think that'll work. That should do it. Okay, so, that was basically it, and everybody, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And Sniffles, oopsie daisy, and Sniffles is a very good plush. I love this plush, but mine is never here yet. So yeah, they're about the same size. Like I'll show you the closet. Look, it looks the same size. Like I'll show you. They're like the same sizes than this. Like we'll let the dogs out. Oh man, it's not. This one's not a plush. This head's a plush, but this part's not a plush. It's made of like the stuff inside, like putting batteries in there. But yeah. Well, I guess this is my big surprise. I'm so happy I finally got this for my birthday. But I haven't got mine yet. But Sniffles is finally here. Oh. I made a voice too. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Even this too. And yeah. They're about the same. They're about this high than this. But yeah. Or even my backpack as well. See? that look the same sizes. So, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching. And next, I'll get Mime Plush, Flippy. I'll get Petunia, Flaky. Well, I'll get Petunia and Giggles, all that stuff. Oh, and Cuddles too. Cuddles, yeah, Cuddles. And yeah, I got Sniffles, so mine might be coming tomorrow, or Friday, or Saturday. No. Tomorrow's Wednesday, but either tomorrow Wednesday, or Thursday, or Friday, or Saturday, or next week. I don't know when exactly when. I wish there was another plush choice from the season, like season 3 or something. But yeah, it's like the trunk is the same with the short trunk. This one's came from like season 1 with the long trunk. Like Elvin's trunk, this is the anteater. This is come with the mouth. And yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. Peace out. Goodbye.